video talking about the Cobra side mirrors and installing them. Now they look pretty badass on the car. Now we were missing one thing, and that's the chin spoiler. So I got Mike with me, and Mike is going to talk about these chin spoilers with me as well, so we can get opinions on which one looks better. Now the first one I'm going to talk about is, is the MDA chin spoiler. That's Magic Drift. I bought both of these chin spoilers that I'm going to show from Magic Drift, and this one's really cool. Now I had this on my GT bumper for a very long time, and most of my friends have these as well. Now this one's pretty cool. The only thing about this that I'm having opinions on is that if it goes on the 9901 Cobra bumper, it might look like a Cobra R bumper, and I really don't want that. I really want my bumper distinguished from other bumpers, besides wearing this chin spoiler. So I mean, this one's pretty cool, whatever, but again, we're gonna have to put on the car to see how it would look like. Now the next one is one that everybody and their mama has put on their car, and that is a Mach 1 chin spoiler. Now Mike, you had this on your car, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I had this on my car for a very long time as well. It's my first chin spoiler, and all of my friends' first chin spoiler. So this is a really cool chin spoiler that you can rock. It's different from the Cobra ones that came on the car originally. These are a bit longer. The Mach ones just, I feel like it's just got a pretty cool look to it, just because they're a bit longer.
They're a little bit more aggressive than the Cobras, which is interesting.
Yeah, because you can really see them, and they just look totally awesome. No shame on the Cobra ones, just I prefer this one over that one. But these two we're going to put on the car, see which one looks better. And yeah, homies, hopefully you like the video, and share your opinions down in the comment section so we can see them as well. So let's get to it. Alright, so first one's going on the car is this MDA style. Now this is the one that I got from Magic Drift. These are really infamous on there, and honestly, these are pretty durable. I had this on my car, the GT, for a long time, and I mean,
they're good. I'm not a huge fan of them. I just don't like the way they look.
Yeah.
Not that they look bad. They're flat. That's my issue. Is that the lip is flat.
So if you're going like over a pothole, you most definitely might break something. You better be careful when you drive one of these, honestly.
Yeah.
Because it has another little step right here, and you can most definitely crack it. So we have three things that we're gonna rate this on. Now it's gonna be quality, it's gonna be style, and then opinions. So it's our opinions of how they look on the car. Again, guys, you can state your own opinion. Now again, this is going on the 9901 Cobra bumper, so it's gonna be something totally different from both of us. We haven't seen this.
They look different. You'll look different if you go from a new edge bumper, a stock one, versus a 9901 versus to a Cobra.
Yeah,
these won't even fit like on a Roush or like a Cobra R.
Yeah. So this is gonna be really cool. It's gonna be really fun just to see how they look like, both of them. So we're gonna go with this one first, see how it looks like, and then we're gonna go with the Mach 1 chin spoiler. So let's get to it, homie. Alright, homies, so we have the MDA chin spoiler. Again, I call it the MDH because Magic Drift made this spoiler, so I mean, no other company is making it just like this one. So this is really nice, and it's one of a kind to their company. No other company is making this type of chin spoiler, so it's really badass. I like it. So I'm gonna let Mike go ahead. Again, we're talking about style first, then we're talking about durability, and then opinions at last. So go ahead, Mike.
Style, I'm giving this thing a 2. I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm kind of a period correct guy. I like the Mach 1 stuff. It just works.
Yeah.
Not saying no one else will like this. Durability, I definitely do give it a 3. I don't have personal experience with it, but we've had a lot of people that have had them. They are a little bit more on the fragile side, so keep that in mind if you're low road conditions where you're at. But it is up higher, which is a good thing, so it doesn't have to you have to be super cautious with it.
Yeah.
My overall opinions on this bumper, it definitely looks better than what I thought. It definitely makes the front end look lower, so if you're looking to add some, size to your bumper and kind of make it look lower, this is a good way to go for it. Price-wise, you can't beat it. It's pretty good.
Yeah, no, definitely.
And if you're looking for a change of pace from the Mach 1, you want a different style, this would be the move.
Yeah, most definitely. So style, I'm gonna actually give it a 4. Now the reason why is because you can rock this one with basically every bumper, but really like the 03 or 04 Cobra bumpers. I think it just wouldn't look good with this one.
Yeah, I mean, people do it.
Yeah, now the GT bumper and this bumper would look it looks really good with this bumper. Now again, guys, I give it a 4 to 5 just because this really isn't my style. Like I said, I really wanted this distinguished look from the Cobra R instead of 999 or 01 Cobra bumper. Secondly, when it comes to the durability, I'm gonna give it a 3 just because I did have one for a very long time and it didn't chip nor did it break. Now we do have a lot of friends in new edges, and with them they had a different kind of luck, but with my luck, honestly, in my opinion, it withstand it for a very, very long time. So I'm gonna give it a 3. And then overall opinion, like I said, guys, it just isn't my style. I knew it was gonna look like the Cobra R bumper because it mimics the Cobra R.
You're not wrong.
So honestly, yeah, that's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and put the Mach 1. Let's see how that one looks. All right, Mike. So about this Mach 1 chin spoiler, what do you like most about it?
Dude, the look.
The look.
The looks. These can't be beat look-wise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Durability.
Dude, these are stout. I've hit some potholes. I've hit some cows. I've hit a damn house with one. I mean,
Has it hit a daddy? Got a damn brother.
Whatever the supers, that sounds horrible.
Yeah, that dude has a. He needs muffler work. All right, homie. So for real though, bro, I ain't gonna lie, you got cracked the damn rib.
You don't understand why.
That's how durable these are. I cracked my rib. But these are so nice, bro. The reason why I've been through 2 of these. Now the first one broke because I had it painted, so it was a bit more stiff. So when I bought the second one, man, that lasted me about like 2 years, and nothing happened to it. Now we'll get scraped, and
if you're low, these will they'll take the bruise.
Yeah, but it'll take the beating. Yeah, it will take the beating.
I mean, look at Tyler with a DSG2 valve.
Yeah.
That front lip has gone through hell and back.
Yeah, we've been through World War III, goddamn.
And it hasn't. I'll say it's a little deformed looking, but it hasn't cracked. My car, I mean, it took some nasty potholes in it, and it did pretty well. I mean, I don't think anyone will have an issue with these.
Yeah, no.
So if you're new to driving, you live somewhere with really bad roads, you have a driveway that's about a 45-degree angle and you gotta go upwards. I mean, you can.
That's actually a really good point. You know, we live in Texas, so we have a lot of potholes. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, these go through it, and these will come out with it.
Yeah. So if you're like in I don't know, Canada or something. I don't know.
If anything, it will destroy the bumper before it destroys the lid. But I like these. It's shiny. It has some reflection to it.
They're priced really well.
Yeah, they're $70. The other ones are $80. So let's install these and see how it looks on the car, right? All right, brother. All right, so now we got the Mach 1 chin spoiler on, and honestly, I like it a lot. But I'm gonna let Mike go ahead first.
Boy, quickly, style.
Yeah.
Dude, 5.
Okay.
Straight 5. This right here just completes the whole aggression that he has.
Yeah.
Cow hood, 9901 bumper, Mach 1.
It just looks so nice.
Looks good.
I was scared because I was scared it wouldn't go with the side skirts. But it just goes so well with the side skirts because you know how that MDA one has that little dip to it, and it goes with it as well. But this one goes very well. So style, you give it a what? A 5?
Yeah, 5.
Durability?
I'm gonna give it a 3.
Okay.
Because I mean, look, these aren't indestructible.
Yeah.
But this will work. I mean,
Yeah.
these are pretty durable. Me and him have both had chin spoilers that were Mach 1s.
Yeah.
They're pretty hard to break.
Yeah, they're pretty break. Opinion overall?
Man, I think this is just a classic look. Like, you can't go wrong with, especially new edge, a nice small cow hood, a Cobra bumper, and the Mach 1 chin.
You know what? I didn't think about that. I feel like it would have been too much with the MDA because I already got the cow hood, I already got this, and then with that.
See, this has the subtle aggression you need without being overboard.
All right, so style, I'm gonna give it a 5. Agree with everything Mike has said. It just looks so good. Again, I just don't like that one because it looks too much like the Cobra R bumper. With this one, it looks really nice. It just looks part of the bumper. Second, durability. I'm gonna give this one a 4 actually, just because I've been having this one for a very long time. Now I went through 2 of these. The first one it did break. That was because it was painted. The second one wasn't painted and it went through a lot of crack. And it just
don't paint them.
Yeah, just don't paint them. Honestly, if you paint them, I mean that's fine with y'all. Thing is, if you paint them, they do become a bit stiffer and they can crack. Lastly, overall opinion, I just like it a lot. Like as soon as we put it on, we're just like, oh, this is the one. That's it. So honestly, guys, I like it a lot. Again, guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Use our reference. So use style, use durability or quality, and use your opinion in the bottom. I really want to know. But overall, I like it so much. As you saw in the little cinematic, it just looks really nice all together.
This is the winner.
Yeah, this is the winner. So overall, this is the winner. So let's go ahead and close off the video. Alright, so we're done with the video. Overall, we chose the Mach 1 chin spoiler, which looks completely better. You can follow my boy Mike here on his Instagram. What's his Instagram again?
What is mine?
I don't know.
Oh, Chino's 5.0.
Chino's 5.0, and then you always your boy Denny the Tubi. I greatly appreciate you watching this video, liking, subscribing, commenting on my last ones. Please do so for this one. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or if you have any, I don't know, questions, let us know down below, and we'll answer them as soon as possible. Again, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Get gapped.
That bruised my rib, bro. That hurt.